The extensive design and production behind this front loader focuses on creating the ideal combination of performance, durability, and efficiency for experienced operators and first-time owners alike. These loaders are fabricated, welded, and assembled at our Kubota facility just outside of Atlanta, Georgia. With its large lifting capacity and sleek, modern curved boom design, this product is created to work in complete conjunction with the BX series, not simply as an afterthought added to an existing tractor. All Kubota loaders are designed for ease of use, helping first-time operators maneuver with the confidence of a pro. Our exclusive Kubota designed front loader valve makes operations more intuitive and flexible. It allows the operator to dual function the loader hydraulics, meaning you can simultaneously raise or lower the loader arms while curling or dumping the bucket. Another option is a third function hydraulic valve, which allows you to have versatility with our multiple Land Pride front loader attachments. A 2-lever coupler system allows for the quick and simple process to attach or detach front loader implements. Kubota's Swift Attach option even allows for a quick switch of all 4 hydraulic lines at the same time, all from the comfort of the operator station. This no-spill coupler helps keep the tractor's frame clean and oil-free, and the loader hoses are tucked inside of the boom for greater protection and to allow the operator better visibility while working. Visibility is also improved with the sight lines of the curved boom. The curved boom design adds strength and durability, increasing the reach and height of the loader while keeping it simple to operate. By committing to manufacture a product that intuitively works with the BX series tractor to create one cohesive unit, Kubota provides a trusted front-end loader.